In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add captions automatically on your videos using the AI feature in Filmora video editor. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so I have here a video and I'd like you to listen in.
New CRM can feel a bit like walking into a massive control room full of buttons, screens.
So I'd like to go ahead and add subtitles or captions on this video track automatically using AI. Now, the good thing is Filmora has provided an AI tool that can help us do exactly that. So if you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, to do this, we are going to go ahead and click on titles here. And under it, look for this option called AI captions. If you click on it, you'll see we have quite a number of options that you can use, and we are interested in this detect speakers, which is a new function, and then auto match. So you can make sure that these are on. You'll have 2 free trials for a free account. Now you can see here your titles, how they will appear with this option. Now I'll go ahead and click on try free, and this will go ahead and generate these subtitles, and you can see here the conversion has begun. So be patient as it uploads, and you can see the percentage on the sequence here. And now this is done. So if we go ahead and play,
Walking into a massive control room full of buttons.
the subtitles have been generated here. Here are the captions that we have just generated. Now, because they are too small, you may want to go ahead and customize them so that they are bold, and also you can change the color to make sure that they are visible. You can also go ahead and choose how you want them to appear. We can go ahead and change the blend mode from normal. We have quite a number of options here, so you can choose the one you feel is okay. We can also change the presets, and we can also make it maybe much bolder. Now if I save and then go ahead and play, and that will go ahead and be applied across your text. So that's how you can apply auto captions on your videos in Filmora using this AI tool. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.